Guess what? We're having a baby. What the fuck does that mean? Oh my god! That's so funny.
33 and 33, it says we're having a baby.
Who do you think?
So that means
Are you having a baby? Are you having a baby?
Are you serious? What is that?
no. Oh my god!
I forgot to show you something. Shit, no. Shut up.
Aren't you glad you're my grandma? I sure am. Aww. Could you take her hand and just open it?
No!
What?
Are you serious?
We're pregnant!